Colon polyps. Introduction. The colon absorbs water and nutrients. Select true or false. Correct. What is left is turned into waste, also known as stools or poop. Do colon polyps always cause symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. Colon polyps may not cause any symptoms. Like most cancers, polyps are the result of abnormal cell growth. Are most polyps cancerous? Select yes or no. Correct. The majority of polyps are not cancerous. Most colon polyps do not cause any problems. Does this mean that colon polyps do not require treatment? Select yes or no. Correct. The earlier polyps are removed, the less likely it is that they will become cancerous. Most colon polyps can be identified and removed during a colonoscopy. You can reduce your risk of colon polyps and colorectal cancer by making certain changes in your diet and lifestyle. Select true or false. Correct. You can also reduce your risk of colon polyps and colorectal cancer by getting regular screenings. Thank you for using Explain.